Welcome back to Goku Alpha Calls. My name is Goku and right now, Bitcoin is currently battling major resistance between $120,000 and $123,000, while altcoins are starting to heat up. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and that means we're officially in an altcoin season. On the weekly Bitcoin chart, we remain firmly in a macro bull trend. The super trend indicator is green, and the 3-day chart still shows a cup and handle pattern playing out with a target around $153,000. Nothing is invalidated, unless we close below $110,000, which we haven't. Zooming into the daily chart, we're stuck at resistance. Multiple rejections here suggest some short-term cooling, but this is not a breakdown, just typical consolidation. What's more important is that during this sideways price action, Bitcoin dominance is falling. That's bullish for altcoins. When BTC dominance drops, altcoins tend to outperform. This is one of the clearest signals of an active altcoin season. Now, if you're preparing for the next crypto trade, you need to be set up with a solid exchange. Personally, I use BitUnix. If you use the link below this video, you can claim up to $2,000 in futures bonuses and a $400 deposit bonus just by signing up and depositing. BitUnix is a no KYC exchange, so it's available in most countries, but check your local regulations first. Now moving on to Ethereum and XRP, they are leading the charge in this altcoin season. On Ethereum's 3-day chart, we've broken out of a key downtrend and pushed above major resistance at $3,500. The next targets are $3,900 and then $4,100, a strong resistance zone where we've seen reversals before. We're approaching this zone fast, but there's a warning sign: bearish divergence on the 2-hour chart. RSI is forming lower highs while price makes higher highs. That usually signals a short-term pullback or sideways phase. This isn't a trend reversal, just short-term exhaustion. XRP meanwhile is in its price discovery mode. We're watching a potential RSI divergence forming on the weekly XRP chart, but again, it's not confirmed. On the daily time frame, key support to watch is $3.30 to $3.40. As long as XRP holds above that, it remains bullish. Our next Fibonacci extension target sits at $4.60 to $4.70. Bitcoin dominance is collapsing, and that's the real story here. BTC dominance chart has dumped more, which tells us altcoins will likely outperform Bitcoin over the coming days and weeks. Bitcoin is still strong, but its dominance is weakening. That means traders are rotating into altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and other alts. This kind of dominance drop usually aligns with explosive altcoin gains. So what should you do? Be selective with altcoins. Not everything will pump. Focus on large caps with strong technical setups. And don't FOMO in after big green candles. Wait for pullbacks to key support zones. This altcoin season isn't just hype, the data backs it up. But it won't last forever, so make sure you're paying attention to dominance, RSI divergences, and support levels on the majors. Now looking further into Ethereum, it is exploding higher, and it's not done yet. After flipping $3,500 into support, Ethereum is aiming straight for $3,900 to $4,100. This is a critical resistance area, and we've already seen the market react to it in previous cycles. If Ethereum breaks above $4,100 with volume, we could see a fast move to $4,600. On the longer-term chart, the trend remains firmly bullish. Volume is increasing and Ethereum-Bitcoin pair is breaking out, another strong signal of altcoin strength. This is a textbook move: breakout, retest, continuation. Just watch out for fakeouts, always confirm with volume and candle closes. Don't chase pumps. Look for confirmations and hold strong support. Now moving further, Solana is setting up beautifully. We're seeing a classic cup and handle pattern playing out on the 8-hour chart. The handle broke out around $158, and the price target sits at $194. From the breakout point, that's about a 20% move upside. Support zones to watch: $167 for a minor dip, and $158 as the stronger level. And as always, if you want to prepare for the next trading opportunity, make sure you're set up on the right crypto exchange. Link is provided in the pinned comment below, which offers major sign-up bonuses for BitUnix, which is no KYC and support traders from almost anywhere. That's everything for today. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.